Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. I don my finest black to honor Chef Anne Burrell. She passed away yesterday in her home in New York. She will be missed. She was an inspiration. She was very talented and just a great person. So, a moment. All right. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Portugal, where I prepared shrimp Mozambique. Oh, very good, very simple. Simple ingredients, and it's very fast. The rice took longer than the shrimp. That's one of the things I love about cooking shrimp, especially in a stir fry and or a saute situation, is bam. It's that fast. Maybe not that fast. All right. The expedition continues today to Korea. Now, I'm showing the South Korean flag because just because. So tonight, I'm going to be preparing spicy Korean chicken bulgogi. Bulgogi is normally done in a beef form, but this one's a chicken. Let's get to it. Got the brazier back out. She's all nice and clean. I'll be serving this over rice. Yes, rice 2 days in a row, but there's nothing wrong with that. This is about 9 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Simple ingredients. Fresh ground black pepper. This is a Korean chili paste. I can never say the actual name. But I had to order mine because there's some products out there but they're not exact. This is actually, I had to order this online. Garlic minced. I'm down to just my little nubs of ginger. I'll be going out in the next day or so for more because I need it for Friday. And some oil. I'm using avocado oil, for the saute. The sauce is the Korean chili paste, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some sesame oil, and part of the marinade, because these are actually all marinades, this is a part of a marinade, not a sauce. I'll be using white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. I just love the combination. And for garnish is green onion. And again, I'll be serving this over white rice. So, we continue on the expedition. It's going to be fun. Tomorrow, I believe we are in Egypt. Finally going to do the Egypt dish. It just took a couple days. But I think we have 5 expedition days this week. So there it is. All right, so on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.